Imagine a library with one strange rule. Behind the wall is a librarian who has read everything ever written, but you can never see them. There is only a mail slot. You post a note through, and a moment later a note slides back. That mail slot is, quite literally, how AI works.
Most people picture AI as a thinking robot that looks things up and knows the truth. That is the misconception. The reality is far simpler and stranger. The librarian does exactly one thing. It guesses the most likely next word, then the next, then the next, thousands of times in a row. There is no thinking, no looking up. It is finishing your sentence at vast scale.
So why does word guessing feel so clever? Because language carries human thought. To finish the speed of light is approximately, you have to have absorbed physics. The surprise is that this only worked once the models grew enormous. Small ones were flat and wooden. Make them large enough and something like intelligence appears from nowhere. That is the large in large language model, and it is why a confident answer can still be completely wrong. Understanding the librarian changes how you use AI for learning. Because it can sound certain and still invent a fact, a good tutor never just hands over answers. At aitutors.me, Mentor sits at the center of the faculty, and every professor is built to question first, check understanding, and let the student finish the thinking. AI used thoughtfully, not blindly, for Key Stage 3. And whatever the subject, Mentor checks energy first. Green means push on. Amber means lighter work tonight. Red can mean rest, because a tired mind cannot learn well. Well-being comes before any worksheet. We are now inviting the first 100 founding member families. AI is a remarkable tool, but it does not replace a great teacher, and it never will. For learning that builds real understanding, you are warmly welcome to aitutors.me. Learn more at aitutors.me.